Today we are unboxing an order from Funky Fidgets. First we have this free gift, which is giving marshmallow vibes. I got this sleazy unicorn. Ooh, this knitted Tappa squishy. Oh my gosh. It has like the, oh my gosh, I'm so curious on how that feels. A spinner. Another spinner, but with beads instead of smiley faces. A few more items. Candy, of course. They put in some stickers as well. Stickers. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Stickers, the cute little fidgets. And then, of course, I got the puzzle pieces. Little mini nano puzzle pieces. I love these, honestly. Like, so good. And then this little keychain. That's the fidgets I got from Funky Fidget Toys.